Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Kusnul Imania Akha SPDE, Guru Bahasa Inggris SMK Veteran 1 Tulungagung. Saya juga mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan 1 tahun 2021, LPTK, Universitas Wijaya Kusuma, Surabaya. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya sedang melaksanakan uji kinerja untuk memenuhi kewajiban sebagai mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan 1 tahun 2021 pada tanggal 19 Juli 2021. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start our lesson today, please Putin, lead your friend pray together.
Sure, Mom. Okay, friend. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Putin,
You are welcome, ma'am.
how are you today, class?
I'm fine, ma'am. And you?
Fine too, thank you. Now let me check your attendance list. Aprilio,
Hadir Bu, hadir.
Axel,
Hadir.
Bima,
I am here.
Diki Pramudito,
Yes Bu.
Yoangga,
Yes.
Rio Bagus. Suaranya belum masuk. Oh iya, dulu Bagas Algisha.
Yes Bu.
Hamam.
Hasan.
Oke, who cannot join today?
Tuhan, Bu.
Johan terlambat lagi.
HP-nya lowbat.
HP-nya lowbat. Oke, kita tunggu dia join. Oke, class, in this pandemic area, Ma'am Nia, remember you all to keep your healthy by washing your hands,
Wash your hand.
mask, and keep social
distancing.
Okay. Before we start our lesson, remember this one. If Mania say hi, you answer it by say hello. Then I say hello, you say let's try. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, very good. Okay, class. Now Ma'am Nia will share you PPT. Do you remember what did we study last meeting? Narrative, text of.
Text legend.
What is narrative text legend is?
Narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people.
Now look at your friend Rifai. Is he a handsome boy?
Yes, ma'am.
Is he has a long hair?
No.
Kenapa saya tanya tentang physical appearance? Because today we will study about descriptive text. Nah, sebelum mempelajari lebih lanjut tentang apa itu descriptive text, kita pelajari lesson goals dulu. Yang pertama, menganalisis fungsi sosial, kemudian struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan teks deskriptif dengan memberi dan meminta informasi pendek yang sederhana terkait orang, benda, kemudian apalagi tempat sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Yang kedua adalah menyusun teks deskriptif, tulis, pendek, dan sederhana. Lesson goals yang terakhir, menyajikan deskriptif, tulis, pendek, dan sederhana terkait orang, bisa, benda, atau tempat dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. Now, untuk penilaian, saya mengambil tentang sikap, penilaian pengetahuan, ada menganalisis deskriptif teks. Penilaian keterampilan dari hasil karya menyusun dan menyajikan deskriptif teks. Kita hari ini akan belajar menggunakan mode pembelajaran project-based learning. Do you know what is project-based learning is? Mode pembelajaran project-based learning adalah pembelajaran di mana kalian diminta secara aktif memecahkan masalah yang disajikan melalui serangkaian tahapan, kemudian hasilnya akan kalian sajikan di depan kelas kita.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the picture.
Yes.
Saya, what information do you get from this picture?
Kucingnya matanya kok aneh ya, Mom?
Matanya beda.
The second picture.
Syahrini.
Picture tuh
Syahrini, oke.
Syahrini, ma'am.
Yang kena. And then,
Singer. He is a singer.
Rambutnya panjang.
she is a singer. She has a long hair. And then,
Beautiful.
beautiful. Okay, good. Let's be open our media belajar about descriptive text. Can you see my screen? Can you hear the voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what is descriptive text? Descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, animal, place, when you want your reader to picture what you are describing. The purpose is to describe a time, place, or place in specific. There are two generic structures of descriptive text. First, identification. This part introduces where or who the subject. Second, description. This part shows the detailed description of subject. In descriptive text, there are three language features. First, using simple present tense. Second, using adjective and adverb. The last one, using present passive voice. First, using simple present tense. Dalam simple present tense, kita menggunakan verb one. Untuk subjek Ayu Dewi, kita gunakan verb one, sedangkan untuk subjek she, he, it, kita gunakan verb one ditambah s atau es. For example, first, Borobudur is one of historical building in Indonesia. Second, not only it becomes a well-known tourism destination to a lot of travelers around the world. Third, Borobudur Temple consists of 6 square floors. And the last, if you place your head into the stupa through one of its hole, and you can touch the Buddha statue. Second, using adjective and adverb. Example, for adjective, historical, well-known. Example, for adverb, in Indonesia, in Magelang, in UNESCO list, on each level, on the top center. The last one using present passive voice. Present active. Subject plus verb one plus object plus adverb. Present passive. Object plus is MR plus verb 3 plus by plus subject plus adverb. Look at the example. It is considered. Borobudur Temple is also included. There is a dome located. It's rounded. It's safe. Teman-teman, berikut ini kosakata yang sering muncul dalam descriptive text. Amazing, grounded, historical, picturesque, stunning, wide, ancient, damn, interesting, pleasant, terrific, magnificent, deserted, quiet, boring, remarkable. Sampai di sini pembahasan kita tentang descriptive text.
Have you enjoyed the video, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Tadi bagian-bagian penting sudah dicatat?
Sudah.
Okay, very good. And then, to make your understanding about social function, generic structure, and language feature, descriptive text, you can open your module and you can do the exercises on module page 7. Do you know who is she?
Kita Kutawa.
Kutawa. What is her profession?
Singer.
Okay, very good. Now let's analyze descriptive text about Gita Kutawa. Elemennya ada 2. Yang pertama identification, yang kedua adalah description. Jadi paragraf pertama mengenalkan tokohnya dulu, maka disebut identification. Ini adalah paragraf kedua menjelaskan physical appearance, disebut description. Paragraf ketiga disebut description 2. Deskripsi yang pertama menjelaskan physical appearance. Description yang kedua menjelaskan tentang latar belakang keluarga atau latar belakang kehidupan Gita Kutawa. Kemudian description yang ketiga menjelaskan tentang kemampuan atau perjalanan karir Gita Kutawa. Now, do you understand how to analyze the descriptive text?
Bisa paham.
Yes. You can find another example of descriptive text on your textbook, internet, or the other source. Open your module. You have second activity. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
How many paragraph on the text about Agnes Monica?
4.
4 paragraph. Okay, good. Paragraf pertama menjelaskan tentang tokoh siapa yang mau dideskripsikan. Namanya apa?
Identification.
Yes, very good. Next, paragraph 2. You can identify as description.
1.
Paragraf ketiga ini kita analisa dan kita labeli sebagai
Description.
Perjalanan hidup.
Okay. The last kita labeli.
Description 3.
Okay, class. Now activity 3. Read the descriptive text above and please mention the verb, adjective, and nouns in the text. Boleh, one. Untuk adjektif contohnya apa?
Bes apa benar?
Betul, best.
Trusted, Bu, setahu saya.
Iya, betul. Trusted. Let's continue to activity 4. Read the descriptive text above and answer this question below. Answer this question and the answer sent to Google Classroom. Do you understand?
Understand.
Paham.
Okay, let's
Yes.
start class. Now, Ma'am Nia want you to make group discussion. Okay, we have 4 group. Red, blue, yellow, and green. Are you ready?
Ready.
And then choose one of this topic below. Politician. And then singer. Apa itu singer?
Penyanyi.
Yes. And the third topic is actor or actress. Make a descriptive text at least 10 sentences. And then the third, make sure that your descriptive text contain of identification and series of description. Okay. Do you understand?
I understand.
Yang pertama, pilih topik. Tadi politician bisa, singer bisa, atau politician, aktor,
Artis,
atau
Bu.
artis. Betul, trio. Axel. Setelah memilih topik, kemudian kalian menentukan dari di grup kelas 10 itu koordinator atau ketua kelompoknya siapa. Oke, setelah menentukan ketuanya, baru ketuanya memilih tugas-tugasnya apa saja. Kalau deskriptif teks tentang apa orang, itu tadi kan paragraf pertama menunjukkan tokohnya yang mau dideskripsikan. Paragraf berikutnya, description 2, membahas tentang latar belakang. Paragraf ketiga atau description 2 membahas tentang
Karirnya.
kalian bisa mencari kosakata yang ada di modul. Misalnya untuk description tentang physical appearance, ciri-ciri fisik. Kalau hidung itu ada pointed nose, ada flat nose. And then misalnya eyes, ada yang bulat, big eyes, and then ada yang sipit, small eyes. Misalnya dia Politisinya gendut, berarti bagaimana menjelaskan physical appearance-nya? Gendut itu apa?
Fat.
Fat. Oke, good. Fat body. He has a fat body. Misalnya dia mempunyai badan yang gendut.
Badan gemuk.
Atau misalnya dia seorang aktris yang langsing. She has a slim body. Dia mempunyai tubuh yang langsing. Any question so far?
No question, Bu.
Okay, no question. Okay, now you can start
No
your
question.
discussion in your group. Okay, class. Now discuss with your friends and create your own descriptive text based on these topics provided. Now first, choose one of these topics below. Bisa politician, singer, or actor/actress. Langkah kedua, make a descriptive text at least 10 sentences. And the last, make sure that your descriptive text contains of identification and series of description. Okay?
Menurutku bagus politician. Kalau aku terserah kamu aja, Din. Menurutku politikus itu lebih seru, teman-teman. Kalau kita nggak cari yang seru, Din, cari yang lebih mudah aja. Menurutku lebih baik aktor, Din, daripada politikus. Oke, jika setuju aktor, bagus, baik. Sekarang kita menentukan koordinatornya siapa, yang mau siapa, monggo. Kamu ada role yang jadi koordinator. Setuju, Pak, aku setuju denganmu. Aku setuju denganmu, Nova. Baik, teman-teman. Jika semuanya untuk saya bersedia. Yuk, sekarang kita mulai pembelajaran kita secara damai. Baik, teman-teman, sebagai koordinator, saya akan membagi tugas untuk kalian. 1. Pudin bertugas mencari data biografi dan foto artis Lee Min Ho. Oke, Pudin. 2. Rovan bertugas mencari data latar belakang kehidupan pribadi Lee Min Ho. Siap ya, Rovan? 3. Rifki bertugas mencari data karir Lee Min Ho selama menjadi artis. Oke? Siap, Darul. Oke, siap, Darul. Assalamualaikum. Yuk, sudah selesai belum? Teman-teman segera ya. Kalau data-data sudah terkumpul, nanti saya yang mengatur tata letak tugas kelompok kita dan mengumpulkan tugas kepada bu gurunya. Paham kan semuanya? Oke, siap, paham, Darul. Oke, Brian, berdasarkan data-data yang sudah kalian kumpulkan, ini sudah saya kerjakan proyek descriptive type tentang Lee Min Ho. Tolong semua ikut mengoreksi hasil pekerjaan kelompok kita. Laporkan pada saya kalau ada masukan atau ada hal-hal yang perlu saya perbaiki sebelum proyek itu setor pada bu guru dunia. Oke? Oke, Darul. Semua sudah aku teliti, kelihatannya insya Allah tidak ada yang keliru. Sebaiknya kita bisa segera untuk mengumpulkan tugas ini. Oke, sepakat, friend.
Well, class, now discuss with your friend and create your own descriptive text based on this topic provided.
Number 1, choose one of these topics below. Politician, singer, actor or actress. You can choose one of them. Number 2, make a descriptive text at least 10 sentences. Number 3, make sure that your descriptive text contain of identification and series of description. If you have decided the topic, you can choose the leader. You can lead your group, then the leader can make the job description in your group.
Kalau aku pilih politician, gimana teman-teman?
Kalau politician itu sangat ribet, aku pilih yang nyanyi aja deh.
Jangan penyanyi, pemain film saja.
Ampun bang, saya nggak kuat, biar Diki saja.
Oke lah kalau itu keputusannya.
Oke, siap.
Segera dikerjakan ya teman-teman. Kalau datanya sudah terkumpul, segera kirim ke saya.
Ini data latar belakangnya.
Siap 86.
Gimana? Apa ada kesalahan?
Sudah saya teliti, saya kira siap untuk dikumpulkan.
Oke guys, saya segera kumpulkan ya.
Oke, class, time is up. Sudah selesai semuanya?
Sudah, ma'am.
Sudah. Oke, now let's present your work.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We would like to present our project. We choose topic singer and we choose Cinta Laura.
Oke.
Because she is smart and now she is international actress. Okay, this is our project. Paragraph 1. Identification. It contains about the name of the singer, the identity and background of her family. And paragraph 2 is called description. In paragraph 2, tell about physical appearance.
Oke.
Paragraph 3 and 4, tell about her hobby and award when she was child.
Oke.
Paragraph 5 and 6, tell about her career. You can read it on the screen. Okay, Brian, maybe any comment?
Any comment, friend?
Me, ma'am. Kenapa memilih Cinta Laura? Banyak penyanyi Indonesia yang go internasional.
Kami sepakat untuk memilih Cinta Laura karena selain cantik dan artis multi talenta, dia juga sangat mengutamakan pendidikan. Bahkan dia rela untuk break shooting demi melanjutkan pendidikannya. Bisa dilihat dari paragraf 3, 4, berapa banyak penghargaan yang dia dapat dari akademik maupun non-akademiknya. Kita bisa juga mencontoh dia. Study in number 1.
Grup hijau itu jawaban dari grup merah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke.
Tapi kan di paragraf 6 dari grup merah yang isinya karir itu lebih dijelaskan tentang main filmnya. Yang penyanyinya belum dijelaskan lebih detail kan tadi topiknya singer.
Terima kasih masukannya Blue Team. Nanti coba akan kami tingkatkan lagi sesuai topik.
Oke, thank you for group 2. Your suggestion is good. Jadi memang benar ya yang di grup yang disampaikan grup 2. Jika topiknya singer, maka yang ditonjolkan juga deskripsi tentang singer, bukan main film atau pembahasan yang lainnya. Oke, any other comment?
Itu maksud saya, Bu.
Ada komentar lain?
No, ma'am.
No,
Enough, enough.
Oke,
Enough.
it's enough. Thank you for our team. Give applause. Okay, class. Now, who wants to be the next?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Darul ya yang mewakili. Okay, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Saya bantu menampilkan pekerjaan kamu.
We would like to present our project.
Okay.
Topic actor, and we choose actor from Korea Lee Min Ho because he is handsome and many him film.
Okay.
Okay, our project. Paragraph 1. All identification it contain about the name of the artist, the identity and background of his family.
Okay.
And paragraph 2. Until last is called description. In paragraph 2, tell about his physical appearance.
Yes.
Paragraph 3, tell about his hobby, and paragraph 4, tell about his career. You can read it on the screen.
Oke, saya
Okay,
bantu tampilkan screen-nya. Ya.
Okay, friend. Maybe any comment?
Me, ma'am.
Oke.
Menurut saya kurang dijelaskan tentang perjalanan karirnya sebagai aktor. Filmnya juga tidak dijelaskan. Jadi kan membacanya kurang tahu informasi, dan menurut saya juga penjelasan ciri-ciri fisiknya kurang lengkap. Di situ cuma disebutkan berat badan dan tinggi saja.
Terima kasih atas masukannya. Sebenarnya tadi mau kami lengkapi informasi perjalanan karirnya, tapi waktunya tidak mencukupi.
Okay, now the last group, please present your project. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We would like to present our project with topic politician, and we choose Mr. Sandiaga Uno because he is young, charismatic, and smart. This is our project. Paragraph 1. Call identification.
Okay, repeat after me. Call. Membacanya call ya.
Call identification.
Identification.
Call identification. It's content about the name and background of his family.
Okay.
And paragraph 2, until last call description.
Call
Okay.
description. Yes, okay.
Maybe any comment?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, time is yours.
Oke, kalau saya lihat hasilnya memang bagus, tapi ini tidak ada describe ciri-ciri fisiknya sama sekali. Gimana nih?
Tadi kami tidak memperhatikan itu. Kami fokus di topiknya. Thanks Group 1. Nanti akan kami perbaiki.
Thank you from Group 3. Give applause. Okay, class. Any questions so far? If no question, it's mean you are already comprehend about descriptive text. Now let's regenerate what we are discussed today. Now, Ma'am Nia asks you, who is remember what descriptive text is?
Descriptive text is a text used to give detailed information.
Yes.
Description about particular object. It describes particular object like thing,
Things.
animal, person, or place. For instance, pet or person we know well.
Okay, that's right. Thank you, Saifuddin. Who is remember what is the social function of descriptive text?
I can answer it, ma'am.
Okay.
Giving information about a particular object, describing feature dan special karakteristik. Giving information about a particular object by describing its physical attribute, behavior, function, etc.
Okay.
Yes. Itu?
Yes, it's true. Giving information about particular object by describing its features and special characteristic. Kemudian, giving information about particular object by describing its physical attributes, behavior, and function. Now, Ma'am Nia asks you how many elements descriptive text?
Two.
Two.
Two, ma'am.
If
Identification and series of description.
okay, they are identification and description or series of description. Very good. Well, class, after this lesson, I will share you 3 grades that you get from this lesson today. Saya share melalui grup WA kita. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, well, class, we can stop our lesson today. But remember, Ma'am Nia asks you to finish your LKPD, then send it to our Google Classroom. Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, very good. Next meeting, we will study something new about the song. Putin, please lead your friend to close our lesson today.
My pleasure, ma'am. Before we end our study, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Putin.
You are welcome, ma'am.
Okay, class, enough for our lesson today. Thank you so much. Remember to keep your healthy, keep strong, happy, and stay
Yes,
safe.
ma'am.
Okay, the last. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
See you.